In the last videos, we discussed about 4 types of reasoning prompts like manual COT, auto COT, reflection prompting, self-consistency prompting. So what we are doing in manual COT, we are providing the reasoning steps manually so that ChatGPT will follow those steps which you have given, and then it will find the answer. What is auto COT? AI model is responsible to provide reasoning steps automatically. You are not required to provide. Can I say these two are same? So we have to give the steps manually or automatically. Based on that steps, it will provide the answer. Clear, friends? Any doubt in these two?
No.
Next, coming to reflection prompting. What is reflection prompting? So whenever we are solving any problem, we will get some answer. So I will ask ChatGPT to review that answer one more time. To review that answer one more time because there may be a chance of having mistakes. Can you please review that and provide the final answer? This is a reflection prompt. What is self-consistency? Array, there is a problem. You solve many times. The concept is, please listen carefully. The concept is same. If I have a math problem, you can solve that problem with n number of steps, n number of methods. You try to solve by using all the methods. We know the answer already. Now, which steps are convenient? Some methods may return some other different values. So can you please choose the best one or common result from the given set? This is nothing but self-reflection, sorry, self-consistency prompting. Now today we are going to talk about sir another prompting. Another prompting. What is that prompting is sir tree of thoughts. In short form, it is called as TOT, tree of thoughts. Okay. But don't worry, we are going to talk about this in detail in today's session. Up to this, no doubt, friends, please confirm.
No, no doubt in that.
Sir, tree of thoughts prompting is almost similar to self-consistency. But to avoid the confusion, first I will go with a normal flow, a normal real-time example. Then, so you are going to get some idea. So immediately you people may have a doubt on self-reflection prompting. Okay. So, sorry, self-consistency prompting and then tree of thoughts. You are going to get the difference. Common items will be there. Definition looks like similar. So I will provide the difference also. But let me analyze with one example. Suppose consider, so I think everyone have seen Google Maps. Google Maps. Sir, in Google Maps, if I want to travel from Bangalore to Hyderabad, Bangalore to Hyderabad. Sir, tell me in this Google map, sir, it will show path 1. Sir, it will show path 2. Sir, it will show path 3. Multiple paths it will show. Correct?
This is alternative paths.
Yes. From these paths, we are going to choose the best path. We are going to choose the best path. That is nothing but what? Tree of thoughts. That is nothing but what? Tree of thoughts.
Okay. So yeah, I think it's like then
One second, one
logic.
second, one second,
It's
one
like
second, one second, one second. Yeah, sorry for the delay. Sir, am I audible now? There are some network issue. Am I audible now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Sir, you are asking something. It is similar to which prompting?
Like the decision tree we do in the machine learning, we take the decision. This path.
Exactly. Exactly. So it will explore. Okay, it will explore multiple possible solution paths before before choosing the best one. So it will find out what are all the possible ways are there. So from that it is going to choose the best one. That is nothing but tree of thoughts prompting what we have. So first it will identify it will identify the decision problem, which problem you need. So for that problem we are asking ChatGPT to give the solution. So first you have to identify what is your problem. Then, sir, create three options we will call it as branches. Three branches for each option or for each branch. What you need to do, sir, can you please list some pros? Can you please list some cons? What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? Can you please? Then what you have to do, you have to compare all branches. You have to compare all branches. Next term, sir, you have to choose the best branch. Okay. And what is the last step? You have to provide the final decision with reason, and then expand. This is nothing but the format what you are going to do. Okay, we have to explore multiple possible paths before choosing the best one. So I hope everyone got very clear clarity about this. Do you have any questions, friends, in this? Please confirm.
No,
Up
no.
to this, you understood the concept, right?
Yes, yes.
So what is the note here is, observe carefully. What is the note here is, so when one decision can be taken, in many ways. So then in such cases, you have to go for which one? Tree of thoughts. Tree of thoughts. So instead of following one path, what my TOT is going to do? It will go for multiple paths. Clear, friends?
There is a, I think there is a confusion between this self-consistency and doubt. In the self-consistency,
Yes.
it's the three, four answers, then choose the best one where it does by voting. So
Hmm.
now again, three, four ways, then it will see the pros and cons, then again will. So I think there is a very thin line difference between these two concepts, right?
Yes. So if I take one or two differences, then you people may get clarity. Let me
Okay.
go with that. See, you people are having doubt in, sir, self consistency, correct? Self consistency. And then, so tree of thoughts. So TOT. So let me give some one or two differences so that you can feel comfortable. Sir, in self consistency, what we will do? We will go with the majority voting among different solutions. Am I right, friends? In different solutions, we will go for what? Majority voting. That is nothing but which we will do in self consistency. Correct?
Hmm.
Now, here we will search and planning over multiple possible reasoning branches. Here we are not going to find out the solution immediately. So in self consistency, already we have some three different methodologies are there. In that we are going to get the best one. We are going to choose the best one. But
Hmm.
in tree of thoughts, what we will do? We will plan, or we will give some different strategy. So in how many ways we can solve that problem, that path we will create.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
from that path, if there is any problem is there, we will remove that path and we will come back and we will search for another path. So multiple branches will be there. Don't worry, I will show you the diagrams also. You people are going to get clarity. So
So
this
it
is nothing but the main difference.
okay, okay. So it is more of optimization problem. Means we have to
Yes,
optimize.
exactly, exactly. And if you take the reasoning process, how internally it will do? How it will do? Sir, several complete reasoning, complete reasoning chains are generated independently. From that we will choose. But what we will do in tree of thoughts, sir, here reasoning is expanded step by step, like a decision tree. We are going to keep on expanding. But here, what we are going to do, it is fixed. Problem is fixed. Three different solutions. But here, there is one option. Go for that. There is one more way of solving that. Go for. Like that, we are going to search for different paths. And here, one more point. In self-consistency, sir, final answer is selected. Final answer is selected based on most frequently occurring results. Correct, sir?
Hmm.
Correct.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
here what we are going to do is in each immediate immediate thought, each immediate thought is evaluated. So before continuing further, in every steps it will evaluate. If everything is okay, it will go next. If there is any problem, it will cut that problem there itself. If you see the diagram, sir, if I have a problem A is there. Now this is nothing but a solution 1, this is nothing but a solution 2, this is nothing but a solution 3, this is nothing but solution 4. Sir, in these four ways, if two or three are same answers, we will select that answer. This we will do in where? In self-consistency. But in tree of thoughts, if you have a problem, try to solve this problem using this thought process. Try to solve this problem using this thought process. So try to solve this problem using this thought process. So here also, suppose if while solving this, I found that this is not the correct solution, then immediately stop exploring here itself. So like if you have anything continuation, so we have to evaluate before continuing further. Like that, most optimized thing we will get here. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
And let me go with one more difference. Maybe you people are going to get clarity on that. So what is the difference here is, sir, here, no backtracking. No backtracking. Sir, what is mean by backtracking? Going back. Sir, I want to find addition of two numbers. In how many ways you can find? But here in tree of thoughts, I want to find addition of two numbers. Sir, in what different paths are there? When I am going that, if there is any problem is coming, I will stop that and I will come back, I will look for another path. So here internally backtracking will be there. Clear? And especially in self consistency where we can use some real time examples. Sir, in mathematical problems, suppose I assume that there is one integration or differentiation or trigonometrical problem is there. So like they have given some inputs and they will ask you to find out some output. Sir, in different ways we can find, in different ways we can find. But so if you take that math problem in three of thoughts, sir, is it possible? No, no. So then even, sir, if you take logical reasoning, so even coding related problems. So these things, can I say, so with a single correct answer, if anything is there, you can go. Now you will get clarity, friends. Please observe. Sir, where we are using this tree of thoughts? In planning. In planning. Sir, is the planning is one result or multiple results? Please confirm.
Multiple.
Multiple. Sir, puzzles. If you take any puzzle, for example, Sudoku puzzle, how many possible ways are there? Multiple, right?
Mhm.
Sir, games. In games also multiple strategies will be there. So even in scheduling, multiple ways will be there. Okay, sir, in multi-step decision making problems, you have to use three of parts. Sir, seems to be both are same, but there is a lot of difference is there. Clear, friends?
Now clear, totally.
Hmm. So now I will give one example prompt, sir, so that you people will get clarity. I will write one example. You have to tell that is belongs to which one. Okay? Can I?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now observe. Sir, solve this problem in multiple ways, okay, and choose the most consistent answer. Tell me, it belongs to which one?
Good. Multiple ways. Chain of thought, TOT.
No, no, no,
No.
it is related to the self consistency.
Self-consent.
So you are asking to solve the problem in how many
No.
ways? Multiple
Multiple
ways,
ways.
and
Hmm.
choose the most consistent answer. Now observe.
Okay. Voting.
Explore multiple possible approaches. So evaluate each one. So discard weak paths. If any weak paths are there, can you please discard? And continue with the best until reaching the solution. Until reaching the solution. Do you know this is nothing but what? TOT. I hope some idea you got.
Hmm. Here we are backtracing it.
Yes, exactly. Sir, if it is a tree kind of thing, then only we can backtrack, right? No. Sir, in self-consistency problem, okay, in self-consistency prompting, what is a workflow? What is a workflow? How it is going to solve the problem? Sir, can I say reasoning path one will be there. Assume it is giving the answer A. Okay. So now like this, I have some 5 reasoning solutions I got. So path 1, path 2, so path 3, path 4, path 5, so path like this. So first one is giving answer A, so second one is giving answer B, third one is giving A, fourth one is giving A, fifth one is giving A. Now what is the final answer we will take? A. Correct?
Yeah.
If you want some real real life example, okay, real time example, real life example, sir, simple. 5 experienced teachers are there. Assume so 5 experienced teachers are there. So these 5 experienced teachers are going to solve one mathematical problem in different ways. Now, so if you listen those 5 different methodologies, from that which is very easy for you, you are going to select it. Correct?
Yeah.
So clear? You understood the point?
Yes. Yes.
So in tree of thoughts, how workflow will be there? This is very important because if you understand this, then only we can go further. So in tree of thoughts, TOT. Sir, how the prompt workflow will be there? Listen carefully. Sir, one thought you are going to take, thought A. So thought B, thought C, thought D, maybe 4 thoughts. Sir, in thought A, I got one answer A1. So I got another answer A2. In A2, I got some problem. Then stop this. Now I am taking thought B. Sir, I solved this. B1 step, B2 step, B3 step. Assume totally 4 steps are there. Now I got final answer. Now, sir, in thought C, sir, C1. So then immediately C1 itself is wrong. You can stop. In thought D, so maybe it is going to take D1, so D2, D3. Okay. And in D3, some problem is coming. Just stop. Sir, you understood the point?
Yes.
So evaluate each branch. Evaluate each branch. So discard the weak branch. Discard the weak branch. So continue with okay. So strongest path. Strongest path is the concept of TOT. Friends, clear?
Yes, yes.
So best example, some real time example. Assume so some real life example. Listen carefully. Sir, some students are going to plan one tech fest. Okay, one tech fest in their college. So they have 5 ideas are there. Okay, 5 ideas are there. Sir, they will apply all the 5 ideas and then they are going to select a final. No, right? Are you getting the point?
Yes, yes.
So in self consistency, we will solve all 5 ways. In that common answer, we will select. Majority answer, we will select. Correct?
Correct.
But here we are not going to solve all these 5 ideas. We will start with one idea. So when that idea is going, somewhere I found budget is very high. Okay, leave it because budget is not up to the mark. Stop that. Then go for second idea. In second idea, sir, students are not showing that much interest. Okay, stop that. So next, sir, students are showing the interest. Budget is also very comfortable. Everything goes well. But suddenly, so there is no proper guest. There is no proper resource person for that. Then can I continue that idea? No. Clear?
Yes.
Now there is one more part is there. Sir, one professor accepted. So time is, professor is okay. Resource person is okay. Next and after that, budget is okay. Students also showing interest. But the professor availability is only for 1 hour. But that event I want to schedule for 5 hours. Can I continue that? No, right? So like that, we have to find different ways. If any way is giving the correct answer, you will fix on that. Otherwise, you will skip. This is very important, friends. I think this example has clearly given the difference between these two. Clear, my everyone? Please confirm.
Yes, yes. This is clear.
So now you don't have any doubt on both, right?
No, no doubt.
So I will take one more real-time scenario so that maybe you are going to connect it. Sir, real life example, real life example. See, assume, so imagine that you are traveling from Sir Hyderabad to Bangalore. Bangalore. This is nothing but your requirement. Sir, now you have three choices are there with. What is the first choice? You can go by bus, so you can go by train, sir, you can go by your own vehicle, car, sir, you can go with a flight. Sir, in self consistency problem, what is the idea? Solve all the 4 ways, then choose the best. Now, if I want to travel from Hyderabad to Bangalore, sir, first I will travel in the bus. Then I will travel in the train. Then I will travel in the car. Then I will travel in the flight. Then I am going to choose the best one. No, right? Meaningless combination. Are you understanding?
Hmm. Okay.
So you are getting the point, right?
Yes, so we can't compare like.
Yes, we can't. So now what I will do? I will start with bus. In bus also, we have multiple possibilities are there, correct?
Mhm.
So you can take a sleeper bus, okay? So you can take a semi-sleeper. Okay, so you can take some luxury bus, like that, n number of options. Sir, in train also, you can take sleeper class. So you can take a third AC. Sir, you can take second AC, like that, multiple options. Sir, even for flight also. So we have multiple. So you need some morning flight, or you need some evening flight, or you need some connecting flight, like that we have n number. But in everything you have to evaluate, sir, what is the cost. Sir, if I am going with the bus, what is the cost? If I take train, what is the cost? If I take car, sir, car is very costly, remove that. Then flight, so flight is also very costly. Okay, next time, sir, I have limited time is there, a meeting immediately, maybe one day time is there, yes, you can prefer flight. Sir, now comfort also I need. So safety is also very important. Like that, you have to evaluate with the different approaches and you will find the final solution. Sir, this example thinking is similar to tree of thoughts. Friends, I hope you got the final outcome of this tree of thoughts concept. Clear?
Yes. No,
Any questions?
no questions.
Yeah. So if you are clear with this, there are some 8 steps are there. I will explain those 8 steps. Then we will directly go with the prompts. Clear?
Yeah.
So in general, if I want to solve this any problem by using this tree of thoughts, what we have to do? Sir, step one. What is the first step? Sir, you have to understand. You have to understand the problem first. What is your problem? You have to understand. Then identify identify the goal. Identify the goal. Then identify the constraints. Then identify the available information with you. Available information. Then expected output also we need to identify. This is the first step. What is the first step? Understand the problem. What is the second step? Sir, now generate multiple thoughts. Generate multiple thoughts. So here what we will do? We will create several possible approaches for the problem. Several possible approaches for the problem. Sir, are you clear with the 2 steps? First one, identify these requirements, that is understanding the problem. Second one, generate multiple thoughts for that. Clear? Now, what is the third step? You have to evaluate the thoughts one by one. So maybe by giving some points or by giving some score each approach. So based on relevant criteria. Sir, you have already some criteria are there, right? Based on that, can you please evaluate all the thoughts? Now in step 4, expand promising branches. Sir, what is the meaning of this? Sir, explore the strongest options in greater depth. You have to explore only the strongest options. Next, what is a step 5? Sir, prune weak branches. Means what? You have to cut the weak branches. So remove the approaches that are incorrect or risky or impractical. You have to identify that and you need to remove. Are you clear with these 5 steps? Please confirm. Next, step 6. Sir, backtrack. Okay, backtrack when required. Sir, what is mean by backtrack? Please confirm.
Backtrack means if something is not going along correct,
Hmm.
then we can just backtrace it and then start it again.
Yes. So return to previous stage. Return to previous stage. So when the current branch is fail, when current branch is fail, you have to go back. Next, what is the seventh step? Seventh step is nothing but select the best path from that. Okay, so you have to choose after doing all these things, you have to choose the solution with strongest, with the strongest overall evaluation. Next, what is the last step? Step 8, present the final answer. Present the final answer. So what you are going to do here, provide the selected solution and sir, concise comparison of alternatives if required. Like that we are going to do. Clear? All these 8 steps are clear. Clear, Mrutyunjay and Durgesh?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's
Please
clear.
confirm. Yeah.
But it's very difficult to remember all these 8 steps. I think.
Yeah, sir. Just for documentation purpose, I am giving this.
Yeah, yeah. But
You have the
our
idea,
work
right?
workflow is clear. How is it going?
Yeah, that is important because these and all just for documentation. So when you are revising the video, just you
Yes.
can,
For
yes,
revision, other notes will be
yes,
very.
yes, 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 yes. Now, sir, what is the next one? Very important, sir. Sir, of course, you know about this, but I have not given any explanation for this. Sir, search strategies used in TOT. Sir, what kind of searching it is going to follow? Very simple. It will follow breadth first search internally. Sir, BFS. Sometimes based on the algorithm, it will follow depth first search also DFS. Sir, even best first search is also there. Okay, so these are the 3 searching strategies which are used internally in TOT. We are not required to worry about those algorithms, but that is the back end process. Clear?
Okay, so this is the internal working of LLM
Yes,
models.
yes, 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 yes.
Oh,
Clear?
yes.
So I will go with some advantages of this tree of thoughts and also limitations what we have with the tree of thoughts, and with one example maybe you can understand very clearly. Can I?
Yeah.
Right. Just because so many points are there, just I will take the running notes. Yeah. Yeah, just orally I will explain. Observe carefully. Advantages of tree of thoughts. Sir, observe. Explores multiple possible solutions. Sir, I have a problem. Multiple solutions it will explore. It will avoid depending on the first generated answer. For example, so there are 10 paths are there. In first 3 parts, I came to know that in first stage itself, we are not going to get the answer. We can remove that, right? That is advantage. And it will support backtracking. If I am going, so if any problem is coming, I can come back and I can identify another path. Rejects the weak solutions in the beginning itself. It will improve the complex planning. It produces better strategic decisions. It will help compare trade-offs. It will works well with constraints. It will provide structured problem solving. It reduces the chance of remaining trapped in poor reasoning path. These are some advantages what we have. I hope every point is very clear. Any doubts? Any doubts?
Oh,
Right. Now we will go with some limitations. There are some limitations also there. What are the limitations? Sir, can I say it requires more tokens because all possible combinations. It takes more processing time also, and it can produce unnecessary large reasoning trees. Evaluation scores may be subjective. The best branch can still be based on incorrect information. Okay, suppose if information is not correct, so unnecessary branch, it is going to stay. So if it is a required branch, one wrong decision will remove that. So it is unnecessary for simple questions. Poor removing may useful branch. Sir, too many branches can create confusion. It requires a clearly defined evaluation criteria. Some limitations what we have. Okay. So it is not suitable for simple things. You have to go for a big. So if you are comfortable with this, just I will execute one prompt so that we can get some idea. Clear.
yes,
Please
yes.
confirm.
Identified.
Yeah. Now have a look once. Sir, first please understand this prompt because it is a lengthy prompt. What is the prompt here is? Can you please read title of the prompt?
College final year project selection.
Yes. So college final year. So college final year project selection. You are an experienced academic project mentor. So you are an experienced academic project mentor. Okay. A team of 4 BTech CSE students must select a final year project. So what are the available areas? Artificial intelligence, web development, cyber security, Internet of Things. Use tree of thoughts. Sir, compulsory you have to use this word. Then only it will explore. Use which method? Tree of thoughts. In step 1. Sir, up to this no doubt, right?
Yeah,
Confirm.
clear. Yeah.
Now, sir, what are the steps I have given? Step 1. Can you please create one branch for each project area? Sir, now how many branches you will get? 4. One is for artificial intelligence, second one is for web development, third one is for cyber security, and fourth one is for Internet of Things. Clear?
Yeah.
Now, sir, under each branch, can you please generate 2 suitable project ideas? Multiple project ideas will be there on web development. Can you please give 2? Step 3, evaluate every idea. So suppose if it is generating some 2 ideas for Internet of Things and 2 ideas for cyber security, now evaluate these 2 ideas with the following things. Innovation, is it innovative? Cost, development time, technical difficulty, industry relevance, demonstration value. Like all these primary constraints you have to satisfy. Sir, you understood the criterias?
Yeah, yeah.
Now, observe step
No,
4. What is step 4? Reject the projects that are too expensive or impossible to complete within 4 months. Sir, you have to reject the projects which are too expensive, too cost. And within 4 months, if any project is not going to complete, remove that. Now, expand the 3 most promising ideas by identify the required technologies and modules and risk. Sir, now totally how many paths we will get, friends? For every branch, 2 suitable project ideas. So 1, 2,
eight
3,
parts.
4. 4 into 2, 8. In this 8, it will check all these things and I will reject the projects which are going to not satisfy this requirement. Now, what are all the branches it will come? In that, Please identify the required technologies, modules, and risks. Sir, compare the expanded branches. Now, recommend the best final year project with justification. Clear, friends?
Yes, yes.
It may be one answer, it may be two answers, it may be three, or for all branches may be correct. That depends on the criteria what we have given. Correct, sir?
Yes, yes. So I think
Can
the
I go
writing
for
the prompt,
executing this?
writing this much
Ah,
long prompt
yes.
is also challenging.
Just example sake, but any we have the tools right to create the prompt. So today my network is a bit slow because here full of rain. Just I'm trying to use my mobile net. Let me check. For loading, it is taking this much time. I don't know what will be the response. So okay, we will do one thing. We will execute this prompt tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay, we will execute it tomorrow. Right, sir? Thank you. We will go with the first example for this tree of thoughts. TOT prompt. Now observe carefully, friends. What is the first example here is, so I told when we have to go for tree of thoughts for a single problem statement, I need to analyze multiple paths. In that, if any path is not up to the mark, just remove that path, and you have to continue. And you have to continue. So, in that, we are going to identify the best path. That is nothing but our concept in this tree of thoughts. So, what we are going to do is, so assume you are an experienced academic project mentor. Okay. So, you are an experienced academic project mentor. A team of four BTech students must select a final year project. For them, the available areas are artificial intelligence, web development, cyber security, Internet of Things. In these four areas, just you have to explore. So use which method? Tree of thoughts method. Step one, create one branch for each project area. So total four branches will be there for this prompt. Under each branch, generate two suitable project ideas. For artificial intelligence, two ideas. For web development, two ideas. For cyber security, two ideas. For Internet of Things, two ideas. Then what is the step three? Evaluate. Sir, please be on mute. Yes, I request everyone to please be on mute. Yeah. So, evaluate every idea based on innovation, the cost, development time, technical difficulty, industry relevance, demonstration value. So you have to identify all these things. So in that, some paths may be satisfied our rule, some paths may not. So if any path is not satisfied your rule, just you have to remove that path. Now, what is the step four? Reject the projects that are too expensive or impossible to complete within 4 months. So, if any project is very expensive and it is not possible to complete within 4 months, just to remove the projects. Then expand the three promising ideas. Expand the three most promising ideas by identifying the required technologies, modules, and risks. So, three most promising ideas you have to explore and compare the expanded branches. Recommend the best final year project with justification. Wow. So you can see a good prompt is there with us. Sir, can I run this prompt and show you the output, what it is going to generate?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, please confirm. So let us try this prompt now. Yes, tree of thoughts for final year CSC project selection. Step 1. Create one branch for each project. Have you observed? Branch A, artificial intelligence. Have you observed? Even the terms also are used, A1, A2, like that in our previous explanation. Branch A, artificial intelligence. Sir, AI based resume screening and interview assistant. This is one project. AI powered medical symptom checker is another project. Sir, web development, college placement management portal. So, online learning management system with analytics. So, two projects. Cyber security. Okay. Sir, phishing website detection system. Sir, file encryption and secured cloud storage. Then IoT, smart parking system. Smart, agriculture monitoring system. Like that we have. Step 2, step 3. What is a step 2? Under each branch, generate two suitable project ideas is given. Now evaluate based on these parameters. Have you observed? For first project, innovation, cost, development time, like decision, keep. Have you observed here? Secured cloud to storage. Sir, it is rejected. Sir, why it is rejected? Time exceeds the limit. Now you can see all these analysis is happening. Then reject unsuitable projects. So we removed how many projects? 3 projects. Remaining projects. Now expand the most 3 promising ideas. Branch 1, branch 2, branch 3. Step C. Compare all the branches. So cost, difficulty, everything. Now final recommendation. AI-based resume screening and intelligent interview assistant. Justification. Highly relevant to the requirement, HR technology and AI-driven time. Affordable to develop. So feasible within 4 months. So covers so and so topics like this. Even it is giving ranking also. Excellent, very strong, good, but higher risk due to medical domain constraints. Sir, trust me, even no one is going to give this much clarity on the selection of a final year student project. Correct, friends? Please confirm. Sir, understood?
Yes. Yes.
It is very clear, right? Even you are not expecting this output from my AI, that too in free version. Because whatever
Hmm.
steps you have given, it is exploring, and if any step is not satisfying our rule, just it is removing. Clearly, it is giving. Understood?
Yeah.
Let's go for another example, friends. Examples are already there. Now, let's see. What is the next example? Scale the training institute from 6 lakhs to 25 lakhs per month. Sir, as of now, my training institute is earning 6 lakhs. Now, I want to improve that for 25 lakhs per month. What you have to do? For that, I am writing a prompt. Sir, you are a senior education business strategist. A training institute is currently earning 6 lakhs per month. The owner wants to scale to 25 lakhs. Okay, 25 lakhs per month within 2 years. Now, use which method? Tree of thought reasoning method. Use which method? Tree of thought reasoning method. Step 1. What is the step 1? Generate 3 different possible growth strategies. What is the strategy A? Increase the student value. What is the strategy B? Increase the course pricing and premium offers. What is the strategy 3? Expand to online plus corporate training. These are the 3 different paths that we have. And for every strategy, can you please evaluate revenue potential, implementation difficulty, risk level, time required, team dependency, like all these factors, can you please analyze? Then, sir, compare these 3 strategies and identify which has highest revenue impact, which is fastest to implement. which is the most sustainable long term. Now, select the strongest strategy or combination also. Sir, how? Expand the selected strategy into a practical action plan, including marketing approach, team changes, automation tools, revenue milestones. Provide the final answer under best optimized growth plan. Sir, concept is clear, right? Please confirm. Is the concept is clear in this prompt? Can I run this?
We can.
Yeah. Have a look once. Strategy A, increase student volume. So core idea, strategy B, increase course pricing and premium offering. Expand to online plus corporate. Evaluate. So revenue potential, high, medium to high, very high. Implementation difficulty, risk level. So team dependency like this. Compare the strategies. Then select the strongest strategy. Best optimized growth plan. N number of things will be there. Just you can refill it. Revenue milestones, current 6 lakhs. In 6 months, like this you can. In 12 months, like this you can. 24 months, within 1 year. Sir, best optimized growth plan. Recommended strategy. Combine strategy C, online plus corporate training with strategy A. Increase student volume. And support it with strategy B, premium pricing. Sir, it is giving combination also. So why? Because I included select the strongest strategy or combination also. That's why it is written like this. Clear? Yes, clear. Please confirm.
Yes, it's clear. Here, prompt writing is very lengthy kind of stuff. Otherwise, everything is clear.
Yeah. So as of now, we are learning the strategies, right? So step by
Yes,
step,
yes.
just I am writing. There is one
Hmm.
more topic we are going to cover, like prompt optimization. There, if you give this prompt, it will optimize it. That we will see.
Okay.
So third example, career mentor. A student completed Python course. Now he is confused about the next step. Should he AI generative agentic, learn full stack development, learn DevOps? You are a career mentor. A student has completed a Python course. Now he wants to choose the best career path. Use a tree of thoughts reasoning method. Step one, generate three different career strategy. Go for AI, go for full stack, go for DevOps. In each strategy, evaluate job demand, learning difficulty, time to get job, salary potential. Step three, compare three strategies and identify which is easiest to learn, which gives the fastest job opportunity, which has highest salary growth. So then in step four, select the best career path or combination. Step five, expand the selected option into learning roadmap. So tools to learn, time required, okay, job roles possible. Now provide the final answer under best career path. Like this. Just we have to execute this and we need to check. So let's run and check what answer it is providing. Yes. Step one, generate three career strategies. Evaluate each strategy. Compare the three strategies. Select the best career path. Expanded career plan. Estimated time required. Best career path. AI supported by basic full stack development. This is nothing but the best career path what we have. So it is giving automatically, right? Clear, friends? Please confirm.
Yes.
Now one more prompt, an easy prompt I will take, like reach on time. Reach on time. Observe carefully. Sir, a boy wants to reach institute on time, but morning he has three options. What is that first option? Come by bike. Okay, just a second. Yeah. So a boy wants to reach institute on time, but morning he has three options: come by bike, come by bus, come by metro. Now he is confused. You are the logical travel advisor. A student wants to reach to institute on time for Python class. So he has three travel options. Use tree of thought reasoning method. Generate three different travel strategies. One is coming by bike. Second one is coming by bus. Third one is coming by metro. What is a step two? For each strategy, evaluate travel time, cost, traffic risk, comfort, reliability. Step three, compare all three strategies and identify which is the cheapest, which is the fastest, which is most reliable. Step four, select the best travel plan or combination. Explain why this option is best. Why this option is best. Provide the final answer under best travel decision. Let's run this example. Sir, why I am covering these many examples? Because you need to understand the core idea. Step 1. Generate three travel strategies. Evaluate each strategy: travel time, cost, traffic, comfort, reliability. Compare these three strategies. Select the best travel option. Sir, what is the best option? Metro. Alternative, use bike when there is no convenient metro route. Road traffic is expected to be light. Flexible travel timing is important. So best travel plan is nothing but what? You have to choose metro. Like that it is given. Friends, understood the concept? Please confirm. Clear? Clear, sir?
Yes.
Please confirm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now. So next prompt, of course, a funny prompt what we have. Love proposal. Several times I used this prompt also. So you are a logical love advisor. A boy is planning to propose a girl, but he is confused about the best day. Use tree of thought reasoning method. Step 1. Generate three different proposal strategies. Step 2. For each strategy, evaluate emotional impact, cost, surprise factor, crowd pressure, success probability. Step 3. Compare all three strategies and identify. Step 4. Select the best proposal timing. Explain why this option is the best. Like that, we are going to run this prompt. Any questions up to this? Let's run and check what my ChatGPT is going to give the answer. Yes, step 1, generate three proposal strategies. Step 2, evaluate each strategy. Step 3, compare three strategies. Okay, select step 4, select the best proposal timing. Why it is the best? Sir, recommended proposing on her birthday. Okay, like that. So of course, there will be some pros and cons. You can check it later. Just I am trying to explain how this prompt is going to work. Any questions?
No question so far.
Any questions up
Yes.
to this? Please confirm. Just a second. Yeah. Sir, clear up to this? Can I go for next prompt?
Yes, we can go for next one.
So next prompt is student advisor. Sir, Rahul has a exam tomorrow, but tonight he has three options: study seriously, watch IPL match, sleep early. Now he is confused. You are a logical student advisor. Rahul has exam tomorrow. Tonight he has three options. Use tree of thought reasoning methods. Step one: generate three different night strategies. One is study seriously, watch IPL match, sleep early. Strategy 2: for each strategy, evaluate exam performance, stress level, next day energy, risk of failure, long term benefit. Compare all three strategies and identify which gives highest marks, which gives the best energy, which has least risk. Step 4: select the best night strategy. Step 5: explain why this option is best. Provide the final answer under best exam night plan. Like this we have friends. So I hope you can understand what response my chat GPT is going to give, because we know among these three which is the best. Which is the best, sir? For exam preparation, option A, option B, or option C?
A1. A.
Yeah. But let us see how my chat GPT is going to do. Okay. Let's hit the enter button. Yeah. Sir, step one: generate three night strategies. Evaluate each strategy. Compare three strategies. Select the best night strategy. Why this option is a best? Sir, best exam night plan. Choose strategy A. Study seriously while making while making sure you will get a full night sleep afterwards. This approach offers the best balance of all these things. Sir, now even in the comparison, uh, watching IPL, exam performance low, stress level low, next day energy low, risk failure high, long term benefit low. Have you observed? So it is evaluating perfectly. Just to check whether my chat GPT is going to give the correct answer or not, I try this. Clear, friends? Is it working fine?
Yes, prompt is working.
Clear, right? No doubts, right?
No.
Sir, next, let's go for next prompt. Sir, college examination preparation. You are an experienced academic mentor. You are experienced academic mentor. A BTech student has 30 days to prepare for five subjects. Sir, he has 30 days for preparing examination. What are the five subjects that we have? Data structures. Next one, Java. Next one, database management system. Next one, operating system. Sir, next one, mathematics. Use tree of thoughts method in step one. Generate different preparation strategies, subject by subject, daily mixed subject plan, high weightage first, weak subject first. Step 2, evaluate each strategy based on the syllabus coverage, revision time, difficulty, retention, stress. Reject unsuitable strategies. Expand the two best strategies into weekly plans. Compare both. Recommend the best plan for student. Now, so let's see what it is going to suggest. So of course it is giving two response. So I will go with any one response, not an issue. Now have a look once. Generate three different preparation strategies. Subject by subject, daily mixed subject plan, high weightage first, weak subject first, evaluation strategy, syllabus coverage, revision time, difficulty, retention, stress, everything. Reject unsuitable strategies. Reject high weightage first because it can leave the important topics uncovered. It is less suitable when there are 30 days available. Remaining things we are going to keep. So which is the strongest? Daily mixed subject plan or weak subject first plan. Now it is giving the complete structure. So clear friends, any doubt? So the next one what we have is, I think this program you have studied in the programming language. So you are an experienced programming trainer. Find duplicate elements in the following array. So I have an array is there. In that there are some duplicates also there. Can you please remove those duplicate elements? So what are the elements that we have? 10, 20, 30, 20, 40, 10, 50. Generate three independent algorithms. So one is for nested loop approach, sorting based approach, hash set based approach. Test all approaches by using the given array. Compare their outputs and time complexity. Return the duplicate elements confirmed by all methods. Recommend the best algorithm. I have not given step by step also. Just I have given my concept. So using which one? Three of those. Now let us see. So this is given array. Algorithm 1, nested loop approach. Algorithm 2, sorting based approach. Algorithm 3, hash set based approach. The comparison of all these approaches. Output verification. Recommended algorithm, hash set based. So previously you asked the length is very high because to explain the concepts I use it like this. But now you can see it is got reduced. We are not explicitly mentioning. So it is something like most concise prompting. Clear, sir? You understood the point?
Yes, yes.
Next. Choosing a programming language. Sir, you are a career mentor. A beginner wants to learn one programming language or software job. What are the options that I have? Java, Python, JavaScript, C++. Generate four independent recommendations based on job opportunity, learning difficulty, project development, long-term career growth. Compare the results. Recommend the language that appears more consistently suitable. Okay. Next, mention the situations where so another language may be better. Mention the situations where another languages may be better. So like this, just I want to run this. Yes. So candidate languages, we have four languages. Recommendation 1, based on job opportunities, which is the best, based on learning difficulty, which is the best, based on project development, which is the best, based on long-term career growth, which is the best. So comparison, have you observed several times I told learning both Java and Python is recommended. Comparison of the results, overall frequency, final recommendation. Okay, so clear? Clear about this prompt?
Yes, yes.
So the next one, student attendance improvement. You are a college academic coordinator. Student attendance has fallen below 65. Generate 5 independent solutions to improve the attendance. So consider parent communication, student counseling, attendance incentivities, mentoring, academic support. Compare the possible impact of each solution. Identify the measures recommended by most analysis. Create a final attendance improvement plan. Yes, problem statement. Parent communication. What are all the actions? What will be the impact? Student counseling. What are all the actions? What will be the impact? Student attendance incentivities. What are all the actions? What will be the impact? Faculty monitoring. What will be the attendance? What will be the actions and the assessment? Sir, academic support. Comparison of all. Sir, measure recommendations by most analysis. Final recommendation. Phase 1. Immediate action week 1. Academic support week 2 to 4. Motivation and recognition like this. So it is giving the combination. Clear friends? Please confirm.
Yeah, clear.
So next, college workshop topic selection. You are a logical technical workshop coordinator. A college wants to conduct a 3-day technical workshop. What are all the topics that we have? Generative AI, prompt engineering, Python, Java full stack, data analytics, cyber security. Generate 5 independent topic evaluations. So compare the student interest, industry demand, difficulty, infrastructure, and placement values. Select a topic with strongest overall consistency. Suggest 3-day workshop structure. I don't know anything. Layman. Now you can ask ChatGPT. It will give the suggestion. Now have a look once. Objective, evaluation 1, generative AI, evaluation 2, prompt engineering, evaluation 3, Python, evaluation 4, Java full stack, highlights, sir, evaluation 5, data analytics, comparison. Then topic with the strongest overall consistency, generative AI. Sir, even, sir, 3-day workshop, right? Day 1, what topics you need to cover. Day 2, what topics you need to cover. Day 3, what topics you need to cover. Like that it is. Sir, clear? Everyone, please confirm.
Yes, it's okay. It's clear.
Right. So, faculty training program. Example 12. Faculty training program. Sir, you are a faculty development consultant. A college wants to organize FDP, faculty development program. Sir, what are all the possible topics? AI tools for teaching, outcome-based education, research paper writing, data analytics, cyber security awareness. Evaluate the options using 4 independent perspectives. Compare the relevance, usefulness, cost, participation potential. Recommend the topic supported by majority of evaluations. Now you can see. Sir, objective, topics, perspective 1, perspective 2, perspective 3, perspective 4, comparison of results, majority supported recommendation, suggested 1 day FTP agent. Final recommendation, AI tools for teaching is the best topic. Clear. Think it is demanding. Clear, friends?
Yeah.
Next. Now, this is very important. So, you can use this in your daily life also. Sir, you are a smartphone expert. Recommend a mobile phone under how much price? 30,000. User needs good camera, strong battery, smooth performance, long software support, good display. Generate 5 independent production evaluations. Compare all the recommendations. Select the phone recommendation most consistently. Mention the main reason for the final selection. Let us see what it is going to give. Even I am waiting for that. Have you observed? It considered camera focused. Google Pixel 8a, Samsung Galaxy, nothing phone 3a. Okay. So recommendation Google Pixel 8. Evaluation 2. Sir, battery focused on these three. Recommendation. Sir, evaluation 3. Performance. Like this. Evaluation 4. Software support. Evaluation 5. Overall balanced experience. So now comparisons. Okay, recommendation frequency. Since Google Pixel has given 3 recommendations, final is Google Pixel 8a. Main reason is excellent camera, smooth performance, long software support, high quality display, reliable battery life. So the Pixel 8a amount is around 30,000, but it is frequently available under the around 30,000. Sir, why when another phone may be better, choose nothing phone. Like this, it is giving the suggestions also. Now you are not required to see the reviews. You are not required to watch unboxing videos. Just what is your requirement, provide in the form of a prompt. It will compare. It will give that analysis also how it compared. So everything it is given. Clear, friends? Can I use this for? Can I use this for daily life prompting? Yes.
Daily life prompting means buying any product like that.
Any
Now giving
product.
some
If I
specification.
want to buy any product within this range, you can use this
Hmm.
format.
Hmm.
So
Correct.
tomorrow I want to purchase one mixie for my house. Just ask whatever requirements that you have. It will compare and it will give the suggestion. I'm talking especially in the online market. Clear, sir?
Yeah.
And the next one, sir, very important. Especially even I tried this personally, sir, in many situations. Personally, in many situations. So whenever I'm feeling that I have this much of credit, sir, just I will try to run this prompt and I will check how I can able to balance. Sir, you are a financial planning expert. A person is having credit card debits 2 lakhs, personal loan 1 lakh, gold loan 3 lakhs, borrowed money 1 lakh 50,000. Generate 5 independent debit repayment strategies. I want to clear all these things. I don't know how much time it will take, but which is the best strategy? Sir, compare. Sir, these are the methods which are used in financial experts. So even we don't know about that, just save the prompt. Select the safest and most practical strategy. Explain why it is supported by strongest evidence. Let's run and check how it is going to give response. Yes. Sir, credit card. How much? First it is summarized total. Hmm? So advance allowance method. So it is having some kind of strategy. Next, second snowball method. Maybe these are something debit consideration. Next, increased monthly payments like that. So total 5 to 6 strategies. It is comparing all these and safest and most practical strategy. Final recommendation. So which is what is it is giving? Use this method supported by increasing monthly payments and expense reduction. So you have to increase monthly payments and reduce expenses. Clear, friends? Clear? Please confirm.
Yes, yes.
So one more prompt, maybe this is the last prompt. So you are an experienced network administrator. Sir, employees report that the office Wi-Fi becomes slow every afternoon. So generate 5 independent investigations. Okay. Sir, check too many connected devices, large file downloads, video streaming, router problems, internet service provider issues, malware or unauthorized devices. Compare all investigation results. Identify the most consistently supported root cause. Recommend the best technical solution. Like that I'm asked. Let's check what my ChatGPT is going to give. Sir, problem statement. Investigation 1. Checks finding. Investigation 2. Checks findings. Investigation 3. Investigation 4. Investigation 5. Comparison. Then most consistently supported root cause. Recommended technical solutions. Final recommendation. Many connected device combined with increased video streaming and during afternoon times. So like that, it is giving the suggestion. Clear everyone? Please confirm.
Yeah, yeah, clear.
No doubt right up to
No doubt
this.
right after this. No.
Sir, can you please tell me what are all the
All the
reasoning prompts that we
reasoning
covered till
we
now?
covered till now. Like the chain of thoughts, tree of thoughts we just discussed, right?
Hmm.
Consistency we
Hmm.
discussed COT,
Hmm.
manual COT, auto COT,
Hmm.
reflective, and the reflection one.
Reflection prompting. Like that we covered, right?
We covered, right? Hmm. 5 different
So,
techniques.
yeah. Sir, now just I want to give summary table, friends. Have a look once. Sir, when we should go for manual COT? I want to write manually steps for reason, then manual COT. When you have to go for auto COT, automatically I want to ask my AI model to generate the reasoning steps. Sir, up to these two, no doubts, right?
No.
What about reflection? Sir, I want to solve the problem. Then I want to review that solution. And if any improvements are required, I will do that. This is reflection. What is self-consistency? So you can solve that problem many times. Okay, you have to solve that problem many times. You have to solve that problem many times. Choose the common answer. Sir, what is tree of thoughts? Just now I covered. What is a tree of thoughts? Explore multiple paths. Evaluate each and every path. If any path is not leading to the answer, just remove that and choose the best. Some people may have the confusion with respect to these two that I already covered. Sir, here we are going to solve many times. In every case, we will get the answer. You will choose the majority answer. But in tree of thoughts, that is not the case. Independent paths will be there. I will solve that in using different methodology. I will solve using different path. If answer is not coming, I will backtrack and I will search for another, like that. So based on the requirement, you have to choose self consistency or tree of thoughts. That is completely logical purpose. Sir, any doubt on these 5 reasoning prompts? Please confirm.
No, it's okay. It's clear.